So first we discuss about the regulator gene. So regulator gene is represented by the R. Okay, this is also called the R gene, and it is referred to as a LAC-I. Okay, it is also we called it the LAC-I. Okay, so it regulates the transcription. It regulates the transcription. Transcription means the protein synthesis. Transcription means the protein synthesis. So it regulates the activity of the transcription of the structural gene by forming a repressor molecule. Okay, means it regulates the activity of the, we can say it regulates the transcription of structural gene. It regulates the transcription of structural gene. And next is here promoter gene. Okay, promoter gene means promoter means the it provides the promoting, it provides the signals. It provides signals to RNA polymerase. It provides signal to RNA polymerase enzyme for the transcription of the structural gene. Okay, so it provides the signals to the RNA polymerase. RNA polymerase read the nucleotides and synthesize the mRNA. Okay, so it promoting the signals. It provides signal to the RNA polymerase. This place RNA polymerase is located. So RNA polymerase. Okay, for the transcription of the structural gene. And last is here operon. So it contains a site for specific binding of the repressor molecules. So operator gene consists site. This is the sites. Okay. So these sites for the binding of specific repressor molecules. So understand about the regulator gene. So regulator function of the three controller genes here. Regulator means regulate the formation of structure gene. And promoter means promote the signals to RNA polymerase enzyme for transcription of the structural gene. And operator gene provide signals, provide a specific site for binding the specific site. These are the two specific sites for binding the repressor molecule. Okay.